Guys, so it tells us the distance of using the highway express. So this was built for the rich people, they say. In Africa, the rich people.
See down there, guys are stuck in traffic.
Yeah, now down, actually it's telling me the highway, which is that side down there, people are stuck in traffic while us guys are going through the toll. Look at that. And we go direct, and the weather beautiful. This is Nairobi for you now. Nairobi, guys, Expressway, beautiful. Hot.
This is Westlands.
Westlands is there. And Nairobi is that other side, but this is the express. Look how beautiful it is. So now if we used going off this road and going down the highway, then we would be in traffic, a lot of traffic.
This is Kempinski.
So yeah.
Obama slept on it.
Oh, this is the hotel.
Yeah.
So this is the hotel Obama slept with. Yeah. Kempinski, I did not Kempinski or somewhere.
Kempinski.
Kempinski. And National Museum there. But now guys, look at us, clear, no traffic. I don't know which country has done this, that down there, down the expressway, lot of traffic, and then they built this for express airport, 8 minutes. Look at that. So if you look down there, that side is like down on the bottom of this, you'll find that there's a lot of people who are stuck in traffic. Us guys have come through on the rush hour. It's so pretty as well. Look at this, so pretty. Huh?
Now this is the capital, Nairobi.
The capital city, isn't it? Nairobi. Look at the police lorry. Army. GSU, innit?
Yeah. This is the army truck.
The army truck.
The army and the police and the fire
Everything.
department don't pay for
the thing, right?
don't pay for the expressway.
Yeah.
They use it for free.
Look at him sitting there feeling like a big boss. That's the city of Nairobi, guys. Look at what it looks like. Really beautiful. Look at that. So we've come through less than a minute, isn't it? Or a couple of minutes.
These guys are fixing the flowers on the side.
Yeah, that's the famous building, KICC, that one there. And the clock, Parliament. That clock is Parliament. That's what I remember. And look at this, guys.
So
nice.
This glass is bulletproof because of Parliament.
Yeah. Oh.
This is bulletproof.
It's a bulletproof glass. Look at that, guys. A bulletproof glass.
Because of Parliament.
Because of Parliament Square is there. Yeah. In UK, we would call it Parliament Square. And here we go.
You see now the glass is gone.
Yeah, the glass is gone because this is a normal.
Yeah, we are past the Parliament.
There is the highway where we're saying the traffic goes. Look at that, guys. The traffic is there. Look. If you look, there's a traffic over there. Look. So how do we pay? We scan that thing and pay, or how do we pay?
Yeah, the machine will just scan it.
Yeah.
And charge you according to your entry point and
exit
point.
Look at that, guys. 80 miles an hour. This is what people die for. In Britain, maximum is 70. I don't know if I captured that 80. I'm sure I did. 80 miles, guys. We can go here 80 miles. What is the driver doing? What are you doing?
100.
100.
Yeah.
So that's guys exiting Nairobi capital city. We're going to the village.
That guy must be doing over 100.
Over 100. Yeah. But he's chewing a lot of gas. Because he's driving like that. Guys, look at how clear it is at the rush hour. This is the good thing about this highway express. 8 minutes to the airport. 8. Not even 10. 8. And you're at the airport. JKIA, Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, Kenya. this. You need to see it for real. My GoPro is on. We're carrying on with this video. This video make it 8 minutes. So that when I put it up on YouTube, brilliant, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Just so nice. Stress is not bad. Tell me the government is trying to ensure. Southern bypass, avoided that even from town to meet any traffic, and it works because we came through here and you can see the difference that we're just flying through at 80 miles an hour on the motorway of the bypass from Westlands to the village at 3 o'clock rush hour. We managed to get through. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for coming on my video. This is the Highway Express.
So now
The fastest way. So it's going to exit by Eastern Bypass because if you look, there's traffic ahead there. We've avoided all this traffic and we've come through less than 5 minutes. Others would have been stuck in that traffic for the next hour, an hour and a half. And it's quite hot. And we're exiting here because this is where we're going, Eastern Bypass. We need Mololongo so that we can head on the way to Tala. There is the toll exit, and the next one is Eastern Bypass, and that takes you to the airport. So we are going now to the other side of Eastern Kenya, and that's why we are exiting here, and it's known as the Eastern Bypass. And we pay here to exit the toll. Thank you for joining us, and you're welcome. Have a good evening, guys. So take care, or good afternoon or good morning wherever you're watching from. Thank you for joining me onto this Highway Express video. Take care, and I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye.